Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one is how to buy Dogecoin. In this video, I'm going to go step by step through all the processes that you need to go ahead and buy Dogecoin. So if you're looking at getting into cryptocurrencies for the first time, then I'll tell you what you need, where you need to go, and actually how to go ahead and buy Dogecoin, plus a mini tutorial in here as well to show you how to actually do it. Firstly, I'm assuming then if you're watching this video, you haven't gone ahead and bought any cryptocurrencies before. So we need to start an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. You can definitely do this. You can go ahead and use some fiat currencies. So if you have US dollars or pound sterling, euros, Aussie dollar, whatever it may be, you can use that, transfer it into your cryptocurrency exchange, and then go ahead and buy Dogecoin. The first thing you'll need though when you sign up for an account is your ID documents. You can sign up for an account with something like Binance or Coinbase. They're the number 1 and 2 cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. I'll leave those links in the description if you want to go ahead into those services and sign up. But when you do, you're going to need your name, address, telephone number, and ID card as well. So depending where you are in the world, that could be a driving license, a passport, or a national ID card. You may have heard that it's possible to buy and trade cryptocurrencies completely anonymously. That certainly is one of the benefits of them. You can't do that if you want to use a fiat currency to go ahead and buy those. So if you're buying for the first time and you want to use some of your own country's currency, deposit that into the cryptocurrency exchange and then buy Dogecoin, you're going to have to give over your ID documents. There are 2 main ways to go ahead and trade cryptocurrencies. The first is using the very simple consumer-friendly exchange services from companies like Binance or Coinbase. Once you've signed up for an account with one of these services, you can go in and use their very simple exchange service. You simply enter the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, in this instance, Dogecoin, and then also the currency that you want to sell. A lot of these offer fiat currency selling, so you can just put in your fiat currency and then it will transfer it right into Dogecoin for you. I personally use a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges and I will link those below in the description for you with loads more information, so definitely check those out if you do want to go ahead and buy Dogecoin. Both Binance and Coinbase also have very good mobile apps as well. Rich data in there, a lot of easy to use features, and to be honest, more features than most beginners will need. Using these exchange services is very quick, very easy, and very simple, but there is a slight downside to them. The first one is you may pay slightly higher fees to the exchange for them giving you this very easy service. And the second one is you actually have no control over the exchange rate that you pay. So you have no control over the price of Doge when you go and buy it. You don't know what you're actually paying per Dogecoin. The second way and the more advanced way to go ahead and buy Dogecoin would be to use the advanced trading services that Binance and Coinbase offer. Every cryptocurrency exchange has these more advanced services. Kraken have them as well. And essentially it gives you direct access to the cryptocurrency exchange. So you'll go ahead and actually trade with other traders on their platform. Although it's slightly more complex, you have so much more control over your trade. You can choose the exact price that you want to pay for Dogecoin. You can also trade many other cryptocurrency pairs. And also usually the trading fees are a lot lower, definitely under 1%. So there are a lot of advantages to doing that. And you can learn all about it on the channel. Plus you can see me do it towards the end of this video in the mini tutorial that I have. Before we get onto that though, let's look at purchase methods, because there are 2 main ways to go ahead and buy something like Dogecoin. The first is to use a credit card, and this is by far the simplest, quickest, easiest way to go ahead and buy Dogecoin or other cryptocurrencies. Once you're set up with an account, you can go ahead straight away, go to a buy option, press the credit card option, and then just instantly go and buy some Dogecoin. The problem with this though is that it is quite expensive. So for that ease of use, you'll be paying maybe 2%, even 3%. And you may also have a flat fee on top of that just to go ahead and buy your Dogecoin. That is very, very expensive for an investment. The cheaper way to do it is to use a bank transfer. So once you have an account with something like Binance or Coinbase, you can go ahead, set up a bank transfer into the account. So it's really easy, just go to deposit funds. It will then give you a payment reference and also the bank details that you have to transfer into. You can then go to your banking app and just transfer that straight in. The downside of a bank transfer though is that it may take a little bit longer, so you may have to wait a couple of days even for the payments to hit your account. Depends on the exchange though, some actually allow you to buy this whilst you're transferring the money in. To show you the two different ways to buy cryptocurrencies, you can come to an exchange like Binance. Like I said, I'll link that in the description. Just really simply come to buy crypto. And there are two ways. You can just click on credit card and really easily go and put how much you want to spend. So for example, £100, you can change the fiat currency here to anything that you want. USD, just search for it right here. And then obviously choose the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So in this case, we'll go for Doge. You can click that and then you can very simply see the price over here and then just go through and click on new card if you want to pay with credit card, or you can go to a bank deposit right here, click through on this one. Then all you have to do is go ahead and choose the fiat currency that you want to deposit, choose the method right here, and then after you've signed up and given over all of your documents, this box will appear here, and then you just put how much you want to spend, and then you can go ahead, press continue. It will show you the fee, and then you can go through that way. The advanced way of doing it is going on to something like trade, click on advanced once you have some fiat currencies on account, and then you can trade like this. I won't get into this one because it's too complex, but I do have other videos on the channel that you can go and look at if you want to learn how to do this. Let's just go back to the simple way of doing it though, which would be a credit card, for example. You can see it's just super easy, but how much you want in, and then it will tell you how much you're getting. Go ahead and press buy. But once you have bought that, you can come over to your wallet. This is for Binance, of course. Look at the overview of all of your coins. So you can see all of the coins that you have on your account, and Doge should be in there once you've bought it. Just to have a look at Coinbase as well, you can see it's really the same thing. All you have to do once you signed up for an account is just go and search for Dogecoin. You can see the page for the cryptocurrency, so you can see some very good information for it. You can very easily just go ahead, press on buy, put how much you want to spend, and it will tell you how many Dogecoin that you will get for the amount of fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies that you're spending to buy Dogecoin. Once you've gone ahead and bought your Dogecoin, then you might want to think about storing it safely, because most experts agree that storing cryptocurrencies on the exchange isn't the safest way to hold them. Mobile wallets are completely free to use, and I have lots of tutorials on those, so you can go and check the channel. You can use something like Trust Wallet if you use Binance, because they are owned by the same company, and if you use Coinbase, you can use Coinbase Wallet. When you download a cryptocurrency wallet, you'll get a big password that you have to keep safe. That is the password that allows you to spend your coins. And having a mobile wallet, taking them off the exchange, just puts a little bit more security between you and hackers. Mobile wallets aren't the safest way to do things though. You might want to go for a hardware wallet. So this is a USB stick, and your passwords are stored on the stick. And of course that stick isn't connected to the internet most of the time, so it is a lot safer. The downside of a hardware wallet though is they can cost like $70 or $100. So if you're only buying $50 or $100 of Dogecoin, it just doesn't make sense to buy them, and it's probably just easier to keep them on the exchange for now. It's also quite long-winded to withdraw cryptocurrencies from your exchange account into a hardware wallet. I do have tutorials on how to do that, so you can check out the channel if you want to go the hardware wallet route. But definitely if you're buying larger amounts or investing in Dogecoin or other cryptocurrencies, you will have to look into a hardware wallet. It's the safest way. If you just want to go ahead and buy $50, it's probably not worth it. That is really all of the steps that you're going to need to go through to buy Dogecoin or other cryptocurrencies though. Do check out the channel for a lot more helpful cryptocurrency related content. Subscribe for way more as well. And I'll see you in the next one.